Today's ingredients. Hello guys, welcome back to One Pan Kitchen. Today's menu is umami bomber in seafoods, creamy scallops risotto. Could get scallops adductors in my landmark. Still small one, but absolutely umami bomber. Of course, don't forget cream and cheese. Okay, let's get started. At first, going to cook my soup for risotto. Normally vegetable soup, right? Today, we'll use scallop soup. Put scallop soup powder into hot water. Then, guru time coming. Guru time. Next turn is my hero, scallops adductors. Now here, just sauté quickly. Keep touching gently. Look at this silky white juice, so beautiful. This is the petrol of umami. Keep up, until very last drop. Put rice and fry quickly, cover its surface of rice by pure oil. Put half of sautéed scallops, and its silky white juice. I'm so sorry, cannot share this wonderful smell. Okay, keep mid-heating and Hita style, for 13 minutes to 15 minutes. And then, L. Little by little. Little by little. Little by little. Okay, going to finish, don't forget to put remaining scallops. Put in cream, it makes taste rich, white and white. Pure white like my heart. Welcome Parmesan cheese, this is for another rich umami. Scallop, umami and Parmesan's umami, got its perfect. Umami bomber. A couple of extra virgin olive oil. And black pepper. Are you ready? Enjoy, happy lunch. How was your day? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you soon, bye bye.